In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Hulu subscription on your iPhone. So there's generally two ways to do this, and the first one is if you are actively billing through your Apple account, and the other one is if you are not, if you're just billing with a credit card, for example, and you didn't start your subscription on your iPhone. So for the first option, what you want to do is open up the App Store and then click on your initials in the top right. Then from there you want to go and click on your name at the top. And then you will see this. Now from here, just click on subscriptions. And then here under your active subscriptions, if you used Apple to start your Hulu subscription, then it will be listed here and you can then click on it. And if it's currently active, you can then go and click on cancel right here and you will have then canceled it. Now, if it doesn't show up right there, what you can do is just type in hulu.com/account in your browser. Then from here, sign into your account. And then from there, after also entering your password, you may need to enter a security code. And then after you do that, you will then be redirected to your account. And from there, you can then go in and cancel your subscription. So for me, it says start free trial. For you, you will want to scroll down a bit. And then somewhere on this page, you will also have the option to cancel your subscription. So now you know how to cancel your Hulu subscription on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.